Had you heard this sound? Today I will talk about it. One sunny afternoon, I was walking through a farm with my grandfather. There, I saw a man walking through the fields wearing full body suit, gloves, goggle, and even a mask covering his entire face. Curious, I pulled my grandfather's hand and asked why he is dressed like that. Is he afraid of plants? My grandfather gave me a serious look and said, "No, my child, he's protecting himself from spray, pesticides, and strong chemicals that have even taken lives of many farmers." That hit me hard. At night, I lay awake thinking there must be a better way. I searched online, I watched videos, and then I found my answer. Drones! Hi everyone, I am Yanch. I want to tell you how something flying in the sky is changing the world here on the ground. Had you looked up and heard a soft buzzing sound? It's not an bee, it's not an plane, it is something amazing. It's a drone. Drones are not small machines that can fly, but they're much more than that. They're messengers, they're protectors, they're helpers. Let's go back in time for a moment. World War I was going on. Some smart engineers made a wooden flying machine called Catering. It could fly 120 kilometers by itself, no pilot. And it was 100 years ago. 1980s. Israeli military used drones to trick enemy radars. And it was like playing chess in the sky. And make sure that real planes could fly safely. Yes, drones began from war. But now they're doing much more than that. Saving lives. Let me tell you a true story. A sick boy in Rwanda needed medicine fast, but the roads were muddy, no hospital nearby. Then a drone flew in help, carrying medicines and dropping where it was needed. The boy was saved. The company Zipline has sent millions of life-saving supplies this way. Let's watch a video how they do this. Back to our farms. Now instead of people walking through farms with dangerous chemicals, drones fly through farms and it is 50 times faster and safer. And one farmer even said, "I do not ride my tractor anymore. My crops ride drones." Pretty cool? Drones can go where human cannot, like volcanoes. Scientists are sending drones over hot lava deep into the craters to collect data, photos, videos, and helping us to understand the nature better. Drones also help in natural disasters, like in Turkey 2023, a huge earthquake hit. Roads are blocked, people are trapped under buildings. Then a drone flew in help, carrying warm blankets and dropping where it was needed. That brought hope from the sky. But not all drones are used in peaceful work. Some are still used in war. Like the drone MQ-9 Reaper. It was used in 2020 in a mission that changed the world news. Let me tell you the truth. Drones are not good or bad by themselves. People using them matters. So country like India have drone rules, like the Drone Rule 2021. It was made to make sure that drones are used wisely. And drones also deliver food. Let's watch a video how they do this. and they guide cows in Japan, and they zoom through tunnels at 140 kilometers per hour in drone racing leagues, and pilot wear special VR headset called as FPV drones. FPV drones stands for first person view drones. NASA is even sending drones to Mars to fly through caves over craters. The sky is no longer the limit. It's just an beginning. We always choose the sky to protect, to rescue, to carry medicine, to grow our crops. Here's what I believe. Drones are reflection of people using them. If we use them with kindness, they will save lives. If we use them with care, they will protect our planet and our people. We always choose the sky to protect, to rescue. Here's what I here's this what makes it different. So let's build, let's fly, let's make the world look up and smile. Thank you.